So this is the outside of the house. It's massive and it's unique. So like, you know, all those other general houses. Yes, people of the internet, right now I've got another house. You know, as for me, I make sure I show you the latest houses that are on sale in Harare and anywhere in Zimbabwe. Okay, right now I'm at Hogarth Hill. This is a very, very, very beautiful house, which I'm going to be showing you. So let's just start right away. So as you get in right now, you can actually see we've got an open plan for a, you know, we've got this very, very, very big lounge, and it has got an open plan. You can see we have this very, very big dining area, and we have got the kitchen. So this one is the kitchen area, as you can see. And I also want to show you outside. We have got a very nice, what's the word that you can use here? Deck, balcony deck, something like that. So you got this one, as you can see, and there's a gazebo there. As you can see, we've got a gazebo and a swimming pool. Look at the view of Harare. The view that you'll be seeing when you are here. As you can see, that is the house. So we've got this place here. We've got a gazebo. We've got a jacuzzi here, and this one is the bar area. As you can see, this is the bar area. So you can be doing what you're doing in there, you know, drinking some nice things. And then you've got your jacuzzi, you've got your balcony there, and then nice views. Okay, we have got a toilet. So this one is the guest toilet, as you can see. So we've got, this one is the scullery. This one is the scullery, and there's a toilet here, guest toilet, that you can be using. So let me show you the bedrooms now. Let me show you the bedrooms. So this is where we come in if you are getting to the bedrooms. So you've got the first bedroom here. It has got an ensuite, a shower, and a tub. You can see how big it is. Okay, that's the first bedroom. And we also have another bedroom here. This is another bedroom. And this one has got an ensuite as well. So you've got a shower and a tub. And this is the bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. And we have another bedroom here as well. So as you can see, this one is a bedroom. It's got some beautiful cabinets there. And it also ensuite. As you can see, we've got this shower and that wash area as well, and a tub here. So that one has got a his and a hers hand basin. So this is the third bedroom. Now I'll show you the other bedroom. So it's like there are bedrooms this side. So this one is another bedroom as well. Yeah, all right. So this one is the fourth bedroom. We've got an air conditioner there. As you can see, this one is massive. Look at this bed. This is beautiful. So it's actually very big. We've got its ensuite this side. So as you can see, we've got the ensuite, the tub there, and the shower. And this one, of course, the lights are not on, but that one is the walk-in closet. So as you can see, this is massive. So now from this point here, we have the master bedroom. So from here up to there, this is the master bedroom. So when you get in, we've got this one, the washroom, we've got the toilet here. This is nice. And we have this one, the hand basins. They are so beautiful, my guy. Look at this. We've got a very modern, beautiful tub here, and also a shower. So for the showers, we actually have two of them. We have a shower here, as you can see, and then we have a shower there. This is the master bedroom. So as you can see, when you're standing at the door, this is how you're going to be able to see it. Okay, as you can see, now we are getting to where the bed is. as this is the master bedroom. Look at how massive this is. You actually fit 2 beds. As you can see, you can actually fit 2 beds. But this one is the master bedroom. So we've got very, very nicely done cabinets here. And we've got a very big mirror on that side. Of course, I'm not going to be showing you because you will see me. So this is the big mirror that we have. So this is basically what we have in this house, guys. You can get yourself this house. It is in Hogarth Hill. I think it's my first time to be in Hogarth Hill. So now this is outside, guys. We've got some tanks there, 15,000 liters. So you'll be having your water. You are covered. There's a bowl, and also, as you can see, I love this design. As you can see, there are stones. Everything is actually stonework, and we've got a cottage this side. So this one is the kitchen, and we've got some bedrooms. So this one is a bedroom, and this one is also a bedroom. You know, they are all bedrooms until we get to that end right there. So this is the cottage. This one is actually a massive property. I think you can actually see, guys, that this one is a property that is huge. So guys, as you can see, this is the outside. So this is the outside of the house. It's massive and it's unique. So like, you know, all those other general houses. So we are going down here. I'm gonna use this way, but you can be using those stairs right there. But as for me, you know, I'm always walking around. So we've got the pool here. This is the pool area, and we have the gazebo. So you can be sitting here, and you know, you will be doing your thing here, as you can see. And the pool is there, and the house is right there, as you can see. And I like it. I'm liking this corner here. Nice shade. As you can see, I've got a nice shade, and you can be sitting there as well. You can see the and the beautiful views. If you are here, guys, as you can see, that is actually Brook on that side. The view is just beautiful. So obviously, if you come and if you buy this house, you know that you are not just buying some of those properties. Your neighbors, obviously, you are going to be neighbors with big people, the who's and the whom's of Harare. Because if you can see that one is Brook. So this is the house, guys. This is what we have here. So as you can see, this one you can actually make it a gym, because if you remember, up there we have got the deck. So you can be overlooking the swimming pool there, and this one can be the gym. You see, we actually have another toilet here and a shower. So if you make that one to be your gym, you can be doing your gym here, and then you come and take a shower in there. So this one is a 1-bed seater. It has got en suite. So we also have the garage, so you can be putting your stuff in here, and we also have all this space that you can be using. So it's actually on the side of a mountain, so that's why we have got some beautiful views there. So this is what we have today. I'll see you in the next video.